Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel and to my workstation. So in today's video, we are going to make the second adjusting solution, which is citric acid or lactic acid adjusting solution, which is used to decrease the pH level of your final product. If this is your first time on this channel, you're so welcome. This is where you get to learn how to formulate skincare products like a pro, either for your personal use or for commercial purpose. I know you have not subscribed yet. Please do where to subscribe. It won't take you less than 5 seconds to do that. This really goes a long way for me. Click the notification bell, like, share, and also comment. Thank you so much. Okay, so all the tools we'll be using in this video have been sterilized and my workspace has been disinfected. Guys, don't forget to always practice good manufacturing. So in this video, we will make use of citric acid powder and distilled water to make this solution. And to make this solution, it will require 50-50 ratio. That is 50% citric acid and 50% distilled water. If you can recall in our last video where we did our first adjusting solution, which is sodium adjusting solution, it was 90-10 ratio. But for citric acid, it is 50-50 ratio. That is how to do it, guys. There's no other way around it. Don't forget. So we will be making 50 grams of this solution, and to make 50 grams of this solution, we will need 25 grams of citric acid and 25 grams of distilled water. I hope you get how we arrive at 25 grams each. Now 50, which is the ratio divided by 100 multiplied by 50, which is the amount of gram we want to make. So that's how we arrive at 25 grams each. Now let's measure out these ingredients. So first, let's measure out our distilled water, which is 25 grams. 25 grams of our distilled water. So we'll place this aside, then measure out our citric acid powder. We need 25 grams. That is 25 grams of our citric acid. Then we're going to mix together. So place this aside and we're going to mix. So you will notice that when you are mixing your citric acid solution, it will get cold. Yes, this one is cold compared to our lactic acid adjusting solution we made. It was hot. Yes, it was hot. So this is cold. That is due to the chemical reaction of adding citric acid and water together. So when you're making these two adjusters, take note that sodium solution reaction is hot, while citric solution reaction is cold. So guys, this is how to make citric acid adjusting solution to decrease the pH level of your final product. Let's transfer it to our safe container. This can be used within a month, and after a month you can discard and make another adjusting solution. So guys, that's the end of this video. We will see in our next module for another mind-blowing tutorial. Till then, be safe and bye.